Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I stretch my hair from twist. I've had a lot of questions on that, and even though I have stated over and over that I always use twists or braids to stretch out my hair to use for my styling videos, I guess most people do not understand how, so I wanted to make this video and show you guys how I use my old twist or old braid out or old rod set or any other type of hairstyle I did on my hair when it was wet, how I stretch my hair from that particular hairstyle basically. So stay tuned. I hope this clarifies when I state that I barely use heat to stretch my hair, and a lot of people wonder, so if you don't use heat, how do you stretch your hair? But really, this is how I stretch my hair majority of the time. Unless I'm in a rush or I need to film something quickly, then I would go and use my blow dryer. But even with that, I'm going to use the lowest setting possible. So I always try to stay away from heat as much as possible, just to maintain the health of my hair. It's super important. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into it and show you guys how I stretch my hair and what I do. So I hope this is useful to you guys, okay? Do not forget to leave me a comment down below, and also like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. So now this is how my hair looks. It is still very defined actually. I'm surprised, but if you haven't seen the twist out video, it's the main choice twist out video that I used only gel. You should check it out. And so to stretch my hair first, before you always manipulate or touch your hair, I always recommend that you spritz some water onto your hair. It is very important. Then I am going to go on and add my JBCO Strengthen and Grow lotion. I really love this lotion from Shea Moisture. I actually love this entire line from Shea Moisture. I have used it for a twist out in a previous video on my channel. You should go check that out too. So after applying the cream lotion, I will grab my white tooth comb and I will comb out my hair starting from the end of my hair and gradually work towards the roots of my hair. Now, whenever you're doing this process, be very gentle with your hair because you do not want to unnecessarily pull out your hair. You want to try and maintain as much hair as possible, okay? But when I finish combing out my hair, I will then braid my hair that I have combed out. So I will repeat this method of spritzing my hair with some water, adding some hair cream to my hair, combing out with a white tooth comb, and finally braiding the hair on my entire head in sections. Always work in sections, okay? So I'm going to repeat this method for my entire head until I am completely done, and then I'm going to just wear my bonnet over my head as I will show in the video. And so after about 24 hours, I'm gonna then take off my bonnet, unloosen my braids, and then use my wide tooth comb to comb out my hair. And then I have a good stretched hair that I can use to create my styling videos or to create my style to go. This is my most used method to stretch out my hair without necessarily adding heat. This is my go-to method. I highly recommend using this method to stretch out your hair. And I hope this video was very helpful. I hope you learned from it, and I hope it helps you so you do not have to necessarily always be using a blow dryer to blow your hair, because I highly recommend using as minimal heat as possible if you're really trying to retain your growth and maintain healthy hair. So this is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao!